Disney World Cooking Show, Episode 5. Like me, I'm 5 years old.
That's right, you are 5. What book are you going to cook out of today?
Princess Cooking Book. Sweet Seafoam Smoothie.
Today we're going to be making sweet seafoam smoothie, Ariel inspired. We have 1 frozen banana. We do not have frozen yogurt. We're going to use regular yogurt with some fresh vanilla, and we just squeezed a lime juice. So we put it in a blender, and voila.
First, frozen banana. So, today for December, we're going to leave a banana. Oopsies. Tough. Step 2, have a cup of water. Step 3, a cup of yogurt.
Okay, you can dump it in the blender.
I'll just scoop it. My mom's taking a nap, and there we go.
Your mom is taking a nap?
Yeah.
Why am I taking a nap?
Because I'm cooking these for her.
Oh, it's a present?
For fresh squeeze like this.
Okay, and then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla, non-alcoholic flavoring. Okay, a little dash of vanilla.
Step 6, blend it up. This one?
Yeah? Because the yogurt didn't have any sugar, we're going to add a little dash of maple syrup. We have a special mermaid cup that came from Tony's Town Square. Oh, that looks delicious. And a smoothie straw.
That matches me.
Let me know what you think.
I love it. It tastes like lime.
Ooh. You can also make it with orange juice or lemon juice if you want to try a different flavor. Delicious?
Apple salad.
An apple salad? That'd be good. How about we make a treat next time? A Disney treat. Would you like to do that?
Yes. Thanks for watching.